Something that I've been doing a little bit more today is this thing I like to call AI green refactor, which is a play on this test driven development red green refactor. How I work is I have features. Features become tickets in GitHubs. Each feature gets decomposed into phases. Each phase is typically like a micro atomic verifiable unit of work. And then I have my two agents, my planning agent, which I kind of iterate on and update the phases as I build and learn more. And then my execution agent, which is pure go off and do stuff. Something that I've been doing more, especially for features where it's up front, I don't yet know how the implementation might look. I have some hypotheses of the actual experience and what it looks like. Still plan the phase. I'll still plan what tools we should use. Oh, this should be lane graph. We should use subgraphs for this. We should maybe use these files, but less specific on the code changes that need to be made in planning those out. And instead, then passing it off to the AI just to get to a working outcome very quickly for that phase. And the green, or the testing piece, I have in some cases some unit tests, but sometimes it's hard if you don't actually know upfront what exactly it needs to test. And if it's not like a software test, if it's more of an experience test, it's hard to encode those. But at least what I always have is this intuition of what it should look like and what it should feel like. And so I'll have AI quickly spin it up, try out what it spit up, even if it's an API endpoint, how does it feel to actually call that API endpoint? How does it feel to when this particular atomic unit starts? And then refactor, really go in once I've kind of done this AI green. So test, iterate, then really go in when I've defined that experience, review the code, make that a lot cleaner, and then commit the changes. And I found it's actually a lot more fun. I guess it is honestly probably more vibe coding with some structure. I still find it's more fun because each unit that the AI does is not just some abstract oh, I refactored this thing, but it's very much a verifiable unit of work that I can go in and not only verify with software, but I can go in and I can try it and I can test it. And so that's been a much bigger part of my actual planning phase, is making sure I knock those things down. AI green refactor, something I've been trying. Thanks for tuning in.